And now, leaving women issues, the popular Ogbo Ogwu market in Onitsha, Anambra State, has been reopened by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC. The Southeast Zonal Director of the agency, Dr. Martins Eluyimode, made the announcement on behalf of the agency's Director General, Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, shortly after a brief meeting with state government officials led by the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Afamu Bidike, the market leaders and the media, which held at the market premises. Our correspondent, Chibuzo Bidike, has the details.
He said the agency agreed to reopen the market following the persistent intervention of Governor Chukwuma Soludo and the agreement signed by the market leaders with NAFDAC not to go back to the sale of fake, expired and substandard products in the market. While commending Governor Soludo for his continued support in the fight against fake and expired drugs in Anambra and the country at large, Professor Adeyeye noted that during the enforcement exercise that lasted 3 weeks, the agency, among other things, discovered drugs banned since 2007. He said the reopening of the market will not stop the continuous enforcement exercise, adding that a total of 40,000 shops has been sealed for various offenses and that they will be reopened after a proper profiling.
Working with the mandates given to us as an agency, strictly within our powers, I am saying that, and doing that also in collaboration with the state government, who are a very responsive government. We are saying that the market will be reopened from tomorrow.
In his brief remark, Dr. Obidike appreciated the agency on behalf of Governor and urged the traders to keep to the agreement they had with NAFDAC.